Welcome to a world where reading comes alive for kindergartners. Let's explore fun activities that spark a love for books. Early reading skills are crucial. They're the building blocks for future learning and success in all subjects. Stories are gateways to new worlds. They help children build knowledge and expand their imaginations. Oral storytelling boosts language development. It enhances vocabulary and improves listening skills. Let's explore main idea magic. Fun activities help kids grasp central concepts in stories. Children progress from retelling to summarizing. This journey builds critical thinking skills. Structured routines are key. Establish daily reading times and create inviting reading corners. Visual aids make abstract ideas concrete. Use story maps and character webs to bring stories to life. Teachers are crucial reading role models. Show enthusiasm and read aloud expressively to inspire young learners. Collaborative learning fosters understanding. Organize group activities where children share ideas about stories. Implement differentiation strategies to support diverse learners. Offer varied books and multisensory approaches. By using these fun activities, we're setting the stage for lifelong reading success and a lasting love for books. For more tips and resources on fostering early literacy, click the link in the description. Happy reading!